leo ni kwa ina matani chu.
Atugoro. We.
Banua ho ina tena matao na biangwane na roko chikuwa. Buke buke ni Prime Minister na bunilawa ni leju banua ibisi na hinga bina ni kuwa.
The General Manager of British American Tobacco, Dr. Napoleoni, Dr. Timothy, very guests, ladies and gentlemen, Dalavina, and very good afternoon to all of you. It gives me much pleasure to be here. Equally, even more pleasure that British American Tobacco chose a village in Namranga so I could come and do the opening first up. But it was coincidental because this morning I was up actually in Nandi. As you know, and I can see you've got electricity over here, that we gave out the shares for Energy Fiji Limited, formerly known as FEA. And because it coincided with my visit to Nandi, I was glad that I could make it up here. But before I actually start on with the project itself, I hope all of you have actually applied to get the shares for Energy Fiji Limited. Those of you who have accounts, are domestic account holders in all these villages, you would have names under which you have the accounts. Please apply for the shares. It's free. If you earn less than $30,000 a year, which I assume most of the homes over here earn less than $30,000 a year, you will get 250 shares. The Fijian government is giving that to you for free. It is also giving you a form of an asset, because once you own the shares in Energy Fiji Limited, you become a shareholder. And round about next year, if you want, you can sell those shares. And you can get money for that, which you can actually invest yourself. Or alternatively, which we encourage you to do, is to hold on to the shares and get dividends paid. Dividends is like profit sharing. So when you hold on to the share, when Energy Fiji Limited makes a profit, they declare dividend, you get some money from that for yourself. It's very, very important for all of us to be able to realize that, and I hope that you do apply for the shares. If you have not registered already, please do so. It has not closed, so please do that. I'm glad that British American Tobacco has actually launched this project. I have to tell a little story, and this is where the story actually goes to. I think it was around about 2 years ago. I was driving at the back of Watualevu, and there also, as highlighted by General Manager, the tobacco farmers in Watualevu too. And it was very dry. And I drove in fact to the tributary of Nandi River. And I drove on into the river itself, because sometimes I like driving around seeing what's happening around Fiji. And I saw a water pump in the river. So I met some of the farmers and I asked them, I said, what's this pump for? They said, well, it's been given to us by British American Tobacco for us to be able to pump water from the Nandi River for the fields, for the tobacco. But at the same time, the farmers told me they did not have enough drinking water. So I found that very difficult to understand, that we had a pump for water for the tobacco field, for the farming of tobacco, but the farmers did not have enough water. So we actually supplied to the farming area. We gave them water tanks. We had water delivery trucks come to that, and we had a discussion with British American Tobacco, and we impressed upon them that it's very, very important, in particular in a society like Fiji, and in particular when you have this type of arrangement between a company and farmers, that our first priority should be the farmers themselves. As you know, under the Fijian constitution, for the first time in Fiji's history, we have a constitution that says it is a basic human right of every Fijian to have access to clean, potable drinking water. So today I'm glad that British American Tobacco has actually taken up that offer, recognized the constitutional right of every Fijian individual, and also at the same time recognize that we need to be able to ensure that our farmers actually have access to water. So you're now connected to electricity, you're connected to water. And I just have to find out from you whether you get good mobile telephone communications or not. Now, the water, ladies and gentlemen, as has been highlighted also, ensures a healthy life of individuals. If you have good, clean water, your ability to catch any waterborne diseases is actually reduced. And this, of course, is very, very critical for the health and well-being, not just of the farmers, but the farmers' families too. I'd like to congratulate British American Tobacco for this initiative, and I wish that more corporations around Fiji, who actually working with ordinary Fijians, are able to actually come up with such initiatives that will help not only the government to be able to get ordinary Fijians access to clean drinking water, but they, as part of their corporate social responsibility, corporate social investment, are able to fulfill those obligations that we have to all Fijian citizens. The fact that they're doing 10 borehole water systems with the participation of the Land and Mineral Resources Department, who, as you know, have the expertise. We are carrying out various works also in Vanuatu ourselves as a government and various other parts of Fiji, digging up water systems to access boreholes so that people have clean access water. I would please urge you to look after what they've given you, ensure that the pipes are looked after, ensure that there's no contamination within the system, because ultimately this is yours. And if it's yours, then you need to be able to look after that. The British American Tobacco, of course, is a, be amiss of me not to mention a few words. British American Tobacco has been a good taxpayer in Fiji. They do pay lots of taxes. And every year we do increase the excise on the tobacco. And I think it's, of course, from our perspective, it's a question of balancing the effects of smoking and, of course, the fact that it does provide livelihoods. If, for example, we did not have British American Tobacco in Fiji, most of you who are farmers in the tobacco sector would not have a job. We would not have a source of living. Of course, we are also very proud about the fact that the tobacco that's made in Fiji, the large proportion of it is actually Fijian tobacco itself. I understand in excess of 90%. In excess of 90% of the cigarettes that's made in Fiji actually have 90% Fijian content. We're also hoping that, of course, Fijian tobacco could also be used in other countries for export purposes too. Of course, on the other hand, somebody said to me the other day, and when they heard that I was coming here, they said, why are you going to a function with British American Tobacco? Because these people give people cigarettes. So they don't give them cigarettes, they actually sell it to them. It's people's choice to smoke it or not. But the fact of the matter is that the British American Tobacco has actually embarked on this project. I'm very actually grateful for them for doing this. I'm also very keen to also share with you the fact that the government is also looking at connecting Fijians in many other respects, not just to water. As you know, we have electricity here. There are many parts of Fiji that actually don't have electricity. There are many parts of Fiji where people are still drinking from wells or water systems that are not clean. Some people are actually drinking from creeks. On the other hand, of course, we are also connecting Fiji by way of mobile telephone connectivity through electricity and water. And this is all part and parcel of government's objectives. So, ladies and gentlemen, without taking much of your time, I'd like to congratulate all those who've been involved. I'd like to thank British American Tobacco. I'd like to thank also Land and Mineral Resources. I see Water Authority of Fiji is here also. I assume that they've been assisting also in respect to the piping, and the Ministry of Health officials are all here. So part and parcel of government's work to ensure that we have better standards of living throughout Fiji, and the more corporations actually participate with us, the better it will be. Of course, I'm quite free if you have any questions afterwards to answer any questions. But thank you.
akaludola. Sobu koto karibu akalu tataki.
Kuchava tena.
Yo.
Yeah, keep pulling.
Oh, very good.
Good. Come please.
Yes.
Set.
Cheers. D'accord.